Hello everyone. Welcome to Jhunjhunwala College FY BA class.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will teach
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
I am
Thank you, ma'am.
Sharmila
Thanks, ma'am.
Jajodia. I am Sharmila Jajodia, Assistant Professor in English. I teach English literature, communication skills and business communication. Okay. So I will be teaching
Yes,
you
ma'am.
communication skills. Okay. Now you must know before we start the syllabus, your CS lecture has been engaged. Any of your CS lecture has been engaged till now? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Any of
Yes,
your
ma'am.
CS
Yes,
lecture
ma'am.
has
Yes,
been?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are familiar with the syllabus or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you are not familiar
Yes,
or
ma'am. We are
familiar?
familiar.
Familiar? Okay.
Little bit, ma'am. If
Okay.
you want, then you can explain it now.
I will explain, no doubt.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is your syllabus which is given on the college website as well, which has been
मैम
uploaded.
यहाँ पे ना सिर्फ सिलेबस का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया है और चैप्टर दिया है, सिलेबस अंदर तक नहीं दिया है.
नहीं, everything was given. This I have downloaded from college website only. You can see Ram Niranjan Jhunjhunwala College.
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday I was so, but
No, I am telling you na, this I have downloaded from the college website only. Okay.
okay.
So this is your syllabus. Okay, our syllabus outcome, learning outcome, everything has been given. You can go through that yourself. Now I will be teaching you unit 1 basic language skills grammar, because other teachers are also coming to your class to teach you communication skills, correct? So I will be
Correct.
teaching you unit 1 basic language skills grammar. Clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am.
There are
Yes, ma'am.
this unit 1 I will be teaching you. Okay, rest of the unit will be shared by other teachers. Now what do you want to know? The syllabus gives all the topics, then your papers, internal 40 marks, external semester and exam of 60 marks. Okay, then it is syllabus of semester 2 and everything. Okay, detail is given. Okay, you can go through it yourself, because I will be sharing it with you in Google Classroom as well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, because yours is a big class of 130 student, 135 student, so to understand the lecture online in a proper way, it is better if you switch off your audio and switch off your video. Okay? Is it clear? When I ask you question, that time you can answer me by unmuting yourself. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, there will be problem of network bandwidth, which will not allow you to listen to me properly. Okay? Understood? So switch off your videos and switch
Yes,
off
ma'am.
your audio as well, so that you can listen to me properly. Okay? Now, what I want to tell you, because this is my first lecture, so I am telling you what is communication skill. What is communication skill, by the way, do you know? Your
Yes.
subject is communication skills in English, not in any other language. Okay, what is communication?
To communicate people.
But what do you mean by to communicate?
Talking to the others or
Okay,
the friends.
okay. Communication.
Of knowledge.
The word communication is derived from Latin word communis. Okay,
Communication
which
like with someone and say more about others.
communist. The word communication is derived from Latin word communis, which means to make something common. Okay, which means to share. Is it clear? So you share any information. It can be communicating face to face, using telephone, mobile, through email, or sharing the documents. Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
For any communication, you need two parties. Like I am delivering lectures, so we are also communicating. I am sharing with you, you are sharing with me. Correct? So for
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct.
any communication,
Yes, ma'am.
two parties are needed. Okay? For any communication, two parties are needed. One is sender. Please switch off your audio and video. Otherwise, I will have to go for it. I will mute all of you. Sender and receiver. Clear? So, when I start speaking, I am the sender, you are the receiver. When you start speaking or you start sharing, you become sender, I become the receiver. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes,
So
ma'am.
when I am delivering lecture, I am
Yes,
sender
ma'am.
and you students are receiver. If one of you share something with me, you become sender, I become the receiver. Or if one of you share with another student, then you are sender and receiver as well. Okay. Besides two parties, what is needed? Common medium. Okay, to communicate. Now we are communicating through virtual medium, correct? If you don't have Zoom app in your mobile or in your device, can you attend this lecture?
No, ma'am.
If you don't
No.
have internet connectivity, can you attend the lecture?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So common medium is needed. If I don't have Zoom app in my device, or if I don't have internet connectivity, can I deliver the lecture? No. So
No,
sender and
ma'am.
receiver both should have common medium. Okay. It may be language.
Yes.
Okay. It may be any electronic device. Okay. Is it clear? Or it may be anything else. Like if I, should I mute all of you?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. सबको म्यूट.
So for any communication, two parties are needed, sender and receiver. Besides sender and receiver, who are needed? What is needed is common medium. Okay. If suppose I deliver a lecture in any language which you don't understand. Okay. Suppose I speak in French or German language which you don't understand, then it will not be called communication. Okay. So common medium is needed. Suppose I use fax to deliver a message to you, to deliver a document to you, but you don't have fax, then you will not receive the message. Correct? So it can't be called communication. Communication happens when sender and receiver both interact with each other. Okay. Sender sends the message to receiver, receiver also sends message to sender in response to that message, then it becomes communication, otherwise it's transmission only. Okay. So communication is a two-way process. Is it clear? So sender and receiver both should be there, and then both should have the common medium, then only it can be called communication. Otherwise, if it is one way, it becomes transmission. Yes, somebody raised the hand. What happened? I told you switch off your audio and video. Hello, anybody has any issue? You want to say something or ask something?
No, ma'am. Go ahead.
I am just asking you because if you are facing any problem, you can share with me.
Okay. Okay.
if you don't understand, I will ask you before the end of the lecture, then you can share with me if you have any problem. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So for any communication, two parties are needed and they should also have the common medium. Is it clear? So what are the basic communication skills? When we say communication, communication means sharing, and for sharing something you must have some skills. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Is it clear? These are the basic communication, and besides this, nowadays e-communication, or you can say virtual, online, communication. Is it clear? Whatever I am writing on the whiteboard, you can note down. Okay? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
basic
Yes, ma'am.
share information, you need skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing, e-communication, virtual online communication. Okay? Miss Ba, you want to say something? Don't raise your hands unnecessarily if you don't want to say anything.
Ma'am,
Is it
pronunciation is also
what pronunciation? Pronunciation comes under speaking.
speaking. Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Is it clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am, got it.
Huh? So this is, you note down so that I can erase it and then go for the next.
Yeah, ma'am, I did.
You have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
not done? Okay. Now I go to next thing. I will show you something. Okay. Let us see the PowerPoint. Okay. Sorry. This opening. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Not now, ma'am.
Let me see. Now it will be visible, I think. Let me see. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen? Huh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clearly visible now? Should.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Now
Yeah.
see, the basic communication skills are listening, speaking, reading, writing and e-communication. Now when a baby is born, what does the baby do?
Crying.
Baby cries. Baby cries. You listen. You speak. The baby listen. Correct?
Baby, listen. Yes.
Because hearing is the gift given to every child by God. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Hearing develops into listening. Okay? So listening is the activity which starts since birth. Correct? So you need to develop your listening skills since beginning of your life. Is it clear? When the baby grows up, what does the baby do? Baby starts speaking.
Try to speak.
Correct? If you don't listen to the sounds, you can't speak. If you are born and brought up in jungle, if you are in the company of animals, you will produce animal sounds because you listen to the animal sounds. Okay, and that's why the children who are deaf, they are dumb as well, because they don't listen to the sounds, so they can't speak the sounds. Is it clear? So listening and speaking are interrelated. Understood? So if you want to learn English, communication skills in English, what you need to do, you need to listen English every day, then only you can speak English. Is it clear? So what you should do to
Yes,
develop
ma'am.
your
Yes,
listening
ma'am.
skills? You should listen to news
Yes, ma'am.
on radio, television, internet, whatever way it's available to you. Then only you will develop your speaking skill. Is it clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
when the
Yes,
baby
ma'am.
starts speaking, after that the baby goes to school. What does the baby do in the school? The teacher
Okay, right.
recites, the teacher recites, the baby recites after the teacher, correct? The teacher writes on the blackboard,
Yes.
the baby reads. So the next skill to be developed is reading skill, and after that the baby starts writing. So the next skill is
Writing.
to be developed is writing. E-communication, that is using electronic devices. Now the baby can start learning e-communication much before the baby join school. Is it clear? Because nowadays parents have smartphone, mobile with them, so the baby can start learning e-communication much before the baby goes to school. Correct, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Listening is the basic skill, then come speaking, then come reading, then come writing, and then digital skills. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
why communication is important? Language is main tool of communication, and that's why you need to learn communication skills. English is the primary language. It has got international status. It's international language. It is also language of science and technology, job and profession. Okay, so English is important to learn. Communication skills in English is to be developed by you to get your job, to remain in the job, for employability. Besides language, we use body language to communicate in face to face communication, or even if we are communicating using mobile landline, we use body language as well, though body language is not seen if we are not face to face, but in video conferencing you can see the body language as well. Okay, so posture, gesture, facial expressions, dress and grooming also count when you are communicating to somebody. Okay, good listening primary for good speaking, for stress and intonation. Now if you want to develop your speaking skill, what you need to do, you need to develop first listening skill. Listening, this is the importance of listening skill, because good listening is important for good speaking. Then you need to understand where the speaker is putting stress when he is pronouncing, where he is using intonation, pronunciation, voice modulation. All these things you can learn only and only if you listen well. Is it clear? So you can
Yes, ma'am.
be a good speaker only and only if you are a good listener. And for that you need to learn stress and intonation, pronunciation, voice modulation, which you can do if you listen to any speaker. Is it clear? That good listening also increases your vocabulary. Poor listening results in mistakes and disaster. If you are not listening well, then it can result in mistakes and disaster. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happens, suppose you are appearing for exam, you are not listening to the teacher or supervisor's instruction, then what will happen? You may fail in the exam, no? Or you may get less marks in the exam. If somebody is driving on the road, if the driver is not listening to traffic police instruction, then it may result in accident. Correct? So poor listening results in mistakes and
Ma'am, meaning
disaster.
of intonation?
Intonation means you use various types of tones rising tone, falling tone, rising, falling, when you pronounce, when you speak. For example, I say, she is a brave girl. Correct? Now this is, she is a brave girl. I can speak the same sentence in a different way. She is a brave girl. You understand the difference between the two?
Hmm.
When I say she
Yes.
is a brave girl, I am making a statement. When I say she
ये देख
is a
नारियल देख
brave,
हाँ नारियल
when
हुआ ही नहीं बराबर
when I say she is a brave girl, when I say she is a brave girl, I am making a statement. When I say she is a brave girl, then I am asking a question whether is she a brave girl. Okay, so this is intonation and voice modulation. Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Okay, now we go to next slide. You have to be silent and keep your mind open if you want to develop your listening skills. You need avoid talking and disturbing. You need to concentrate on language and body language. You also understand the deeper meaning. Remember the content. If you have to ask any query, ask during question answer session, and only otherwise you can ask in between, only and only if your speaker has said that you can ask during the session itself, in between. Okay, listen news and other programs. You can listen to various types of audios, you can watch videos where the audio is also there, and you can improve your listening skills. Okay, then what is the importance of speaking skill? Speaking skill, when you communicate face to face or when you communicate using telephone or mobile, you can communicate one to one or one to group even. Okay, you need speaking skill when you go for job interview. You need speaking skill for conferencing, audio video conferencing, presentation, speech. Okay, so you develop your speaking skill. When you also need to uh, improve your communication skills by practicing speaking something in English every day with friends, in friend circle, classroom and neighborhood. You can communicate to your friends in English every day. You can communicate to your teachers in English every day. You can communicate to people in the neighborhood, in the family. You participate in elocution, debate, group discussion and mock activities to develop your communication skills in English. Speaking skills, I mean. Hello. Am I clear whatever I have taught you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You can note down everything. Okay, you can note down everything whatever I am showing on the screen in your
Okay,
notebook.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is meant by
Okay, ma'am.
body? What is meant by body language? Who has asked Gulnar? Gulnar. What is meant by
Ma'am.
body language? You don't understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am explaining. What is body language? Body language means how you stand up, how you sit, how you walk. Okay, your facial expressions when you are talking to somebody. Okay, how you laugh, how you smile, how you carry yourself, how you dress yourself. Everything includes that. Okay, so now reading is important for new ideas and insights, for managerial guidance, for good writing, to improve, inculcate reading. Read at least one national and local daily, weekly and fortnightly magazines and books. Okay, you need to read every day. See, if you can't read the whole newspaper, no need to read the whole newspaper. You read headlines and you choose any one news of your interest. It can be sports, it can be politics, it can be film, it can be editorial. Okay, you read any one news and try to see which words you don't understand, which words meaning is not clear to you. You look up that word in dictionary, try to find out what is its meaning, how you can use it in a sentence, whether it's noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, whatever, conjunction, interjection, and how you can use it in your communication, in writing, okay, in speaking. Is it clear? It will improve your vocabulary and it will also increase your knowledge. So you can read one newspaper, we in local newspaper, national newspaper, weekly magazine, fortnightly magazine. Weekly magazine means which publish it once in a week. Fortnightly means which publish it once in 15 days. You can read books. Even if you don't want to do anything, at least read whatever is taught to you in your syllabus by your teacher properly. If you read it at home, whatever is taught by your teacher in the classroom, then also it will improve your vocabulary, it will improve your reading. Is it clear? Next, come to writing skill, importance of writing skill. Now, uh, reading helps in writing as well. Reading, if you are good reader, you can be a good writer as well. Need to write to school, college, bank, post office besides examination. Okay, so you are not supposed to write in examination only. You have to write to school, college. Now when you have taken admission in FYBA, then you have to fill up the examination form. That was writing only. If you have filled online form, it is typing. But if you don't know writing, you can't type even, correct? So writing is necessary when you write to school, college, bank, post office besides examination. For writing your job application and preparing your CV. CV means biodata, resume, curriculum vitae. Various types of correspondences in office and public life. For that also you need to know writing skill. Is it clear? Now how you can improve your writing skill? Always read carefully, learn and practice grammar daily. Now when you read, you need to see how a sentence is made, which tense has been used, where the verb has been used, where the subject has been used, where object has been used. If you know all these things properly, you, if your grammar is perfect, then you can write something daily and carefully. Participate in writing competitions actively. In your college, there are so many associations. We have English Literary Association as well. All associations announce various types of competitions. Okay, writing competitions related to speaking, reading, listening, and all. So you need to participate in all those competitions to develop your communication skills in English. Now, this is an age of faster communication, correct? So, we need to learn digital communication, e-communication, virtual communication. So, learn at least sending SMS, MMS, email, WhatsApps. You can use Telegram is another app which is like WhatsApp only, where you can send chats, messages, you can send, share files, audio, video, documents. Now you are using Zoom app. Okay, so there are various other apps available through which you can interact: Google Meet, Microsoft Team, WebEx, StreamYard, Facebook. Okay, now when you are using virtual platform to communicate, you should learn etiquette. Etiquette means good manners which you use in your communication face to face or otherwise writing, reading. And when you are using internet, etiquettes are necessary. When you are using telephone or mobile, these etiquettes are equally important. Besides etiquette in general, to communicate in general also you need to use good manners. Okay, so for virtual platform also you need to use good manners. You should not interrupt unnecessarily. If you are given instructions, switch off your audio and video, then you need not on it, off and on. You should not do on and off in between. Okay, So these are the etiquettes. You should not interrupt, you should not switch off, switch on, you should not allow background noise to disturb the lecture or whatever communication is going on. Okay, so these are etiquettes in general. This can help you in developing your communication skills, including digital and e-communication. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear to you
Go ahead.
whatever
Yes.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
told
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has
Ma'am.
any confusion? Anything you want to know?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Nothing?
No, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me see what you have written. You people are raising hands once in a while. So if you have to ask any question, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how will you ask question in exam? Like,
Now I haven't started with the syllabus. I am giving you a general idea what is communication skills, how you need to develop communication skills in English. Okay? Who is saying आवाज नहीं आ रही है? किसको आवाज नहीं? आवाज नहीं आ रही है? नूर सा. अच्छा, she is not talking. I ask you now. Let us wait for 5 minutes so that others join. Then afterwards we will start. ये कौन पूछ रहा है नोट्स मिला क्या रुखसार? Before starting the lecture only, how can I give you notes? Anybody has anything?
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ, yes. किस my voice is
मैम
not
गूगल क्लासरूम में आप ये
क्या?
हेलो मैम,
Yes, बोलो, सुन रही हूँ मैं. क्या बोलना है? What you want to say?
आप जो पीपीटी भी दिखा रहे हो,
हाँ?
आप जो पीपीटी में भी दिखा रहे हो गूगल क्लासरूम में डाल सकते हो.
हाँ, वो डालूंगी मैं. मैंने ऑलरेडी सब क्लासेज का क्लासरूम बनाया है, तुम्हारा भी बना के रखा है गूगल क्लासरूम. लिंक और कोड मैं तुम्हें भेजूंगी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में. ठीक है? गूगल क्लासरूम कैसे ज्वाइन करना है उसका लिंक और कोड मैं भेजूंगी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello.
नेटिकेट एंड टेलीफोन एटिकेट इन जनरल तुम्हें नहीं समझ आया? किसको? गुलनार को. और किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Netiquette means when you are using internet, when you are sending mail, when you are communicating on virtual platform. Okay, so what good manners you need to follow, that is known as netiquette. When you are writing an email, what things you have to follow? Okay, when you are
Ma'am,
correspondence का meaning
क्या?
correspondence का meaning क्या है?
Correspondence means communicating using
ये कार्ड इधर
letter writing, report writing and all. Correspondence means that.
वो फिर
Is
बोल
it clear? Distance से communication.
नहीं उड़ गया 100 रुपए.
The communication which happens at a distance, from a distance, okay, that is known as correspondence. Is it clear? Netiquette means when you use internet to communicate, whether you are sending mail, you are sending chats on WhatsApp, okay, you are communicating through any app, Zoom, WebEx, whatever it is, then you are not supposed to disturb anybody unnecessarily. Okay, you are not supposed to switch off, switch on your audio video unnecessarily. Is it clear? Etiquette besides etiquette in general. अभी मैं कितनी बार बोल चुकी हूँ ना तुम लोगों को कि अपना और वीडियो ऑफ रखो, फिर भी तुम लोग सुन नहीं रहे हो. सो दिस इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एटिकेट. So this is etiquette means good manners you are supposed to follow when you are communicating. Is it clear to everyone? Hello. I have unmuted you all. Is it clear to you whatever I have told you? Hello. Can you answer me? What is to be repeated? What you want me to repeat? Anything? I have unmuted yourself. You can ask me. You can tell me. Hello. Is it clear whatever I have taught?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you
So,
repeat my answer?
yes. What do you
Hello.
want to know? Hello. Say what do you want to know?
Yes, ma'am. I want
Hello. You want to know
to
something?
audible. Hello.
Hello. बोलो ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. How you will give a question in exam about these things?
अरे I haven't started proper syllabus still. I'm just giving you idea what is communication skills in English, how you need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
develop.
ठीक है.
Okay, I will tell you when I will teach you one topic
Yes.
how you will get questions. Is it clear? It's general
Yes, ma'am.
introduction of your paper. Now I'm
Okay,
showing you one video. Okay, tell me whether
Yes.
it's audible to you or not.
Mhm.
Is it audible? Have you heard anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
हाँ. So 1 minute I am telling you 1 minute. Tell me first whether it's audible or not. Then I am playing it again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Switch off your audio and video. Okay. Only 1-2 student can keep it open and then tell me whether it's audible or not.
Okay, ma'am. मैं बताता हूँ.
Ma'am.
Is it audible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुन रहा है.
मैम
नहीं.
इतना सा भी आवाज आ रहा है,
कुछ भी नहीं
जबकि
आवाज
आवाज
आ रही
नहीं आ
है.
रहा.
Okay,
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
ओके ओके ठीक है. नहीं आ रही है ना, कोई बात नहीं. मैं
मैम आवाज आ रही है. मैम आवाज आ रही है.
मैम आवाज आ रही है.
मेरी आवाज नहीं, वीडियो से आवाज आ रही है.
No, ma'am.
नहीं, वीडियो से आवाज नहीं आ
मैम कम है. आवाज आ रही है बट कम है.
आ रही है ना, बट
नहीं मैम, नहीं आ रही है.
मैम नहीं आ रही है.
तुम लोग अपना
नहीं
ऑडियो
नहीं मैम नहीं आ रही है.
तुम लोग अपना ऑडियो वीडियो अगर स्विच ऑफ करके रखोगे ना तो सब आएगी आवाज. अगर तुम लोग ऐसे ही करोगे तो नहीं आएगी. ओके, बट ठीक है, मैं दूसरा सुनाती हूँ तुम्हें. मैंने उसको यूट्यूब पे भी डाला हुआ है तो मैं वहां से आई कैन शो यू, नो इश्यूज. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me switch off. Let me see YouTube duration. I will share the link of the video, then you can now see this. Now it will be audible, I think. Let us listen to this. You are able to hear?
No, ma'am.
नहीं.
अभी तक अभी आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छे से.
अभी देखो.
हाँ मैम, हल्का हल्का सुनाई दे रहा है.
You can use microphone, earphone.
Yes, मैम, वही कर रहे हैं.
अभी now you keep quiet.
ओके
म्यूट
मैम।
करेंगे, अनम्यूट करेंगे तो जाएगी.
Otherwise, I will have to unmute you. If you speak, then it's problem.
मैम के वीडियो में ही प्रॉब्लम है, आवाज ही कम है.
हाँ,
कौन?
क्या है? वीडियो की आवाज कम है.
हाँ मैम।
हाँ, वो कम है. वो स्टूडेंट्स ने ही रिकॉर्ड किया था. मैंने 2-3 साल पहले कॉलेज में ही रिकॉर्ड किया था वो वीडियो. ठीक है, बट अभी तुम लोग चुप होके सुनो उसको. अगर तुम लोग नहीं सुनोगे तो फिर मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. ठीक है? इज इट क्लियर? I am showing you that video, you listen to it. Is it clear? And बीच में बोलना नहीं है. It's only 4 minutes video. There is not much. Okay? Now I'm starting. Okay?
I'm Sharmila Jedodia from Department of English in Ramiranjan Junior Autonomous College, Mangalore West. I am here to give you idea how to develop your communication skills in English. Communication is derived from the root word communis, which means to make something common. Generally, students from vernacular medium come to me with a problem that they don't know how to speak in English. They hesitate to speak English and don't understand how to improve communication skills. So I'm giving you tips how to develop your communication skills in English. The basic communication skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. When a baby is born, the baby only listens because hearing is the gift given to the child by the God. In the process of socialization, the child develops listening skills. So the first skills to be developed by the student is listening. As the baby grows up, the baby goes to school and learns reading and speaking. Listening is important for speaking. If you don't listen well, you can't speak well. So listening and speaking are interrelated. So it's primary to develop listening skills. What is to be done to improve listening skills? You have to listen carefully whenever you hear somebody speaking. Concentrate on what the speaker is speaking. Try to understand the meaning of the speaker's speech. This way you will develop your listening skills. Unless and until you get exposure to the language, you can't speak the language. Listening the language motivates you to speak the language. You have to focus on correct pronunciation, intonation to learn speaking. To improve speaking skill, listen to somebody every day speaking in English. Listen to news in English. Listen to various audio in English. You will improve your speaking. If you don't speak, you can't learn speaking. So if you want to develop your speaking skills, you need to start speaking in English. Nobody can teach you speaking unless you start yourself. To improve speaking skills, you have to focus on first vocabulary, then pronunciation, then intonation. Besides speaking, reading and writing are equally important. Why do you need to read? Because reading gives you ideas. If you read every day something important, you will learn how to write something better. Reading gives you not only ideas but the writing style of various types of writings. To improve writing skill, reading is important. So read something every day which is giving you some message. To improve your writing skill, you have to learn grammar. You have to learn punctuation. You have to learn how to form correct sentences. Reading and writing are interrelated the way listening and speaking are interrelated. To improve your communication skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing are not only important but essential for job market as well. Nowadays, 21st century being the age of information and communication technology, you need to learn digital skills of communication as well. So you must learn how to send and receive SMS, WhatsApp messages, emails, etc. This will help you to develop your personality. This will help you to get good employment as well. Thank you.
Okay, understood something, heard something.
Hi friends, I am Sharmila Jedodia from Department of English in Ramanujan Jhunjhunwala Autonomous College.
कुछ समझ आया क्या?
यस
Yes,
मैम,
ma'am.
अभी अच्छे से सुनाई दिया।
सुनाई दिया ना अभी?
हाँ मैम,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, ये वीडियो मैं गूगल क्लासरूम में भी पोस्ट करूंगी, यूट्यूब का लिंक, तो तुम लोग सुन सकते
ओके
हो।
मैम।
ओके मैम।
अभी
Okay, ma'am.
अभी मैं मीटिंग एंड करूं?
हाँ
हाँ,
मैम,
मैम।
आपकी मर्जी।
हाँ, ma'am.
मैम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर चालू हो गया।
नेक्स्ट लेक्चर चालू हो गया, मालूम है मुझे। मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, मीटिंग एंड करूँ ना अभी मैं?
हाँ मैम,
हाँ।
आपको ऐसे
हाँ,
टॉपिक
मैम।
सफलता रंग लाई।
हाँ नहीं,
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे सब पता है, मैं तुमसे पूछ रही हूँ, मैं मीटिंग एंड कर रही हूँ, बता रही हूँ, ठीक है?
अच्छा
हाँ।
ओके मैम।
ओके
ओके मैम, बाय। ख्याल रखना मैम अपना।
हाँ क्या हुआ?
ख्याल रखना अपना।
बाय बाय।
Bye bye.
बाय बाय।
Thank you, ma'am.